Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how you can connect your Zapier account to your article video robot account. So first thing you need to do is to log in into your article video robot account. Then you have to go into this menu and then you copy this key from here. Like this is my API key, so I will just copy this into the clipboard. Now I will go to the Zapier site. So I will type zapier.com and then I have to log in. I have already logged in, but you may need to log in into your account. Then you go to your Zaps. If you already have a article video robot Zap, then you must delete it first. So I'll just delete my existing Zap. And now I will create a new Zap to teach you how exactly you can connect the two accounts together. So first you click this create Zap button. Then you search for article video robot here. Then you click this. Then you have to choose an event. There is only one event, new video. Now this step is important. You have to choose an account. So in this you connect a new account and then it will ask you for the API key. This is the API key that we copied from here in step 1. So I'll just copy it once more. Then I will go and I will paste this key in this field. And then I will say yes. Now my account, article video robot account is connected with Zapier. Then I'll press continue. Now this is a trigger. You must leave this blank. This is for advanced users. I'll make a separate tutorial about this field, but for now, just leave this field blank and press continue. Now you click this test trigger button and it will say it has found a video. Then you just press continue. And now our article video robot account is set up. Now we have to connect our YouTube account. So we will then search for YouTube. Then now we will choose an event that is upload video. So you choose this. And then press continue. Now you choose your YouTube account. Now this is very important. Any YouTube account that you choose, you cannot choose a fresh YouTube account. It will not work. You have to make sure that any account that you are using has at least a few uploads, maybe like 1 or 2 previous uploads. This means that your account is in good standing, and you also need to phone verify your YouTube account. If you are doing automatic uploads in a new account which isn't phone verified, then you may have some trouble. So make sure that whichever YouTube account you are using is phone verified and has at least preferably 4 or 5 uploads in it. So I will connect my YouTube account, and once it will ask you, you must click allow. I will also open my YouTube account in a separate tab. So you go to your page and then you click YouTube Studio, or you can click this your videos and then you go to my videos content. So this is my test YouTube account. I don't use it for anything else apart from testing. But as you can see, there are I have published a lot of videos. So you also need to make sure that you have at least 2-3 published videos in your account so that your zaps work. Then I have connected my YouTube account, then you press continue. Now this step is very important. Please follow this carefully. In the title, you have to select this title. Okay. Then in the description, you have to click show all options and then you pick description. In the video, this is the most important step. You have to pick this URL. Okay, this has to say one.url. This is most important. Then in this, you have to select public, and this you can leave blank. And this is also very important. You click show all options and then you select keywords. This is very important step. And then notify subscribers, you put this to false and then you press continue. and then it will show you some preview. So you can just say test and continue. It has done, and now you say, and now it will show you some information. You can just then you say publish zap. This is important, okay? And you say publish and turn on. So it is now preparing our zap. It will be live in a few seconds. Now our zap has been created, and now we will just close it and go, and you can rename this. You can say AVR to YouTube, and then you go back. Now anytime you create a video, you need a business account for this, but anytime you create a video in Article Video Robot, like let's say I will create a new video here. Let's say I create a video for Bitcoin, and I will paste my own article for that. So I say Bitcoin video. This is a test video for Bitcoin. I am going to use Zapier to publish this. I'm using a very simple video, very short video, and then I'll just click save. Bitcoin video. So it has only just 2 slides. Then I'll click next. This will now create the video for me. I'll just use the defaults for everything. I'll not customize it or anything. And now it has queued the video for rendering. I think it will take about 2 to 3 minutes. In the meantime, I will tell you 1 or 2 things about Zapier. So as our video is publishing, I'll show you how, if there is any problems with your Zap, how you can test it. So you first go back to Zapier, click Zaps, then you press these 3 dots, and then you go to history, okay? And then you then it will tell you what at what times have your zaps run and what was the status. There is any case in which there is a problem, or your zaps are not running, or your videos are not uploading automatically. This is how you will be able to troubleshoot it. Even if there is some issue, you can send the screenshot of this page to the support, and they will be able to identify the problems. Only like in only like 2 minutes, it is showing that my video that I just created, it has been published by Zapier. And if I click on this, like if I go to Zaps, and if I click on it, history, okay, and then it will show me the date and time and the time it published, and then it will have it shows me that what data was sent to the Zap and what data it has created. So here you can find the embed URL, and this is the player. This is the URL where people can go and watch your videos. So I'll just open this, and our video that we just created has been successfully published on YouTube. And if I go into my channel contents and I press refresh, I can see that this same video has also been published here. I can now go and I can edit it. I can like change the title and the description if I want. You don't have to do it, but this video has been successfully published. So it was pretty easy, right? You just created a video. You didn't have to worry about how you upload it on YouTube. It was automatically taken care of you. And the great thing about Zapier is that YouTube is like just one of the integrations. If you want, you can like send this, you can post it on Facebook. Similarly, it's the same thing you have to do. Instead of when you create a Zap, instead of YouTube, you would choose Facebook, or you can use Twitter or any of the hundreds of video or social sharing sites, and it will automatically post that video for you on these sites. You can even post it on Reddit or some other site. So this is a great way to increase views for your videos and get more leads and traffic for it. Okay, so I hope that was useful. If you have any questions, just contact us on the live chat, or you can send us an email at support@articlevideorobot.com, and we will help you fix whatever your issue is. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.